Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do conditional formatting in Excel. So if you want to learn how to do a conditional formatting, this video will show you how to do it. Here I have a table, task name. Okay, this is assigned to the employee whom is assigned to this task. This is due date and this is status in progress, completed, not started. This is progress by percentage. Okay, 60%, 100%, 0%, 40%, 10%. Now I want to apply the conditional formatting in status and in progress by percentage column. Okay, in two columns. First I will apply the conditional formatting in this column progress by percentage. Then I will apply here in status. Okay, so in progress by percentage I will apply conditional formatting the greater than or less than and in between, and in status I will apply the conditional formatting of formula. Okay, so first you have to select all the cells of progress percentage where you want to apply the conditional formatting, then go to conditional formatting, then click on new rule. Here highlight cell with, you have to use the cell value. Okay, now here you will cell value and the other option is greater than. So first you have to just enter the greater than, so I want that greater than 70. Now here 70, cell values greater than 70. So here you have to choose the color. You can also click on the plus for custom format. So I want to choose this one. Okay, this one green, and click on done. So this is the first rule. Okay, the above 70, all the percentage above 70 will be green. Okay, in green, then plus. Now second rule is go to cell value, now greater than, click on it, then here you will see less than, click on it, and less than 70. Now first we will choose between. Okay, so between 60, between 40 to 60, so the color will be this yellow. Okay, now the third rule is cell value less than, so less than 40, the color will be light red fill. Okay, now we will use this, we will apply the conditional formatting in this status one. Okay, now here we will use the different conditional formatting which is called formula formatting. Okay, click on new rules. Now in the last, here you will see this is format cell where a formula is true, click on it. Now equals to, now first cell is F5, here you will see first cell is F5, equals to F5 equals to, if F5, if this cell has, if any cell has in progress written. Okay, then I'm going to create a custom format here, then in progress, then color will be light green. Okay, text color will be light green and cell color will be yellow. Now click on done. So the first rule has been created. Okay, now second rule is, again go to the format cells where a formula is true, equals to, now type F5 again, equals to, then inverted comma, you have to type everything in inverted comma, completed. Okay, so completed, inverted comma close. So for this text color will be white and cell color will be green. Okay, now click on done. So all the completed is in green. Now not started. Okay, now third rule we will apply for not started. Now go to formula here, formula format where formula is 2 equals to F5 equals to not started. Okay, so not started will be conditional formatting. This will be in red or light pink. So like this you can apply conditional formatting in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.